happening, you guys? Superhero Reactor here with another unboxing video. I didn't expect it to come today. I didn't realize it was gonna come today. I just woke up and they told me that a package has been delivered. Was not expecting, I was expecting for November, but it came in early. I'll tell you what it is. Let's get ready. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Did I move this thing? Hang on. I think I moved this. Let's do this. Oh, yes. Just to get... What the... Guys, finally got it. Finally got it. Oh my gosh. And now I'm gonna have to open this up too. Here we go. Sorry guys, you can't see. I had to put it on the floor so I can easily cut the tape out of this box. Hey, okay, so the same as instructions over there. The one I have, the Gauntlet, it's like the same thing I'm getting right now. This one's hard to, oh, here we go. Yep, I think that's it. Yeah, to pull this baby up. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Wow. Looks, huh? All right, here we go. Ooh, this looks really similar like the one I have. Wow. This is amazing. This one here is like the right hand side. The other one is the left hand. So, let me see. Oh, it's locked. Yes, it's locked. Let's see. There you go. Because if you have it locked, like the one I have, you have to, yep, but you have to unlock it like that. But, oh my, this feels different too. I mean, when you're doing this, oh wow. But this is, I think it's more like, you know, Tony Stark version of the Infinity Gauntlet, you know. I mean, not bad, right? Not bad. So now, all I gotta do now is put some batteries in there, which I'm gonna do right now. Sorry it took longer, guys, but I had a hard time looking for the screwdriver, but I used something else. So, batteries in there. So, let's do this. Let's make some noise, shall we? Here we go. Wow. Oh, maybe at the same time. What? That's cool. It'll be loud, but yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah. Look at that, guys. That is awesome. I think this is really good. Really good. I like it. I'm gonna put it right next to the case there. You might see the Infinity Gauntlet. You can compare it. And by the way, guys, I have a wee problem. My Infinity Gauntlet one of the index finger is loose. So Yeah. So I cannot see, look at how loose that is. But let's compare with the other. Insane. So we got both doing okay, but this one, the index finger is broken. I'm just sad that this happens. This happens. But Thanos, I am fighting for the Infinity Stones. Alright guys, that's it for the unboxing, and I hope you enjoy it. And this is Superhero Reactor saying, I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget, give me a superhero trailer and I'll react.